Welcome to the Netiquette Next. In today's amazing video, I'm gonna tell you about the Waveformer, which is an AI application that creates AI music. So let's get started. Here I'm gonna search the Waveformer, and I recently have searched it, so it is here. I'm gonna click on it here. The first one here, you can see replicate.tab waveformer. I'm gonna click on it because this one is the official one. So here we go. Here we have the waveformer to make music from text with music gen and replicate, and I'm gonna search here the sad music, and it will be created for 8 seconds. We can change this to 30 seconds for example. So here we go to make music, and it get it started, and it will be done soon because music is being generated. It has done 30% and it will be done really soon because it is being processed. This AI application is really useful for the shorts, to create the music for free, the AI music for short videos. So here we go, we're probably done, and here we are. Video is being prepared. Here we have the replicate. Until then, we can check the settings. The music is really good. From this point we can see, we can control the voice, and from this we can shorten or can follow our screen, and from this point we can download it. We can check at the playback speed, and we can set it in picture. And here we also have different options to download the audio, to download the video, and we can copy link and share it with others and can use it for other purposes. So here we have the replicate settings. Replicate lets you run machine learning models with a few lines of code without needing to understand how machine learning works. And Music Gen is a model developed by Facebook Research, Jade Coppet, Felix Crook, EDAL. It uses AI to create music. It was trained on 20,000 hours of licensed music, and it is a model card. So we are going to download the audio here. It has downloaded, and we are going to stop. Now we can use this music to our shots. This is AI music, isn't it amazing? You can use it to your Instagram stories and videos, to your Facebook ads and videos and stories, and all the other social media platforms. You can use it to your YouTube shorts, and this is really amazing. So here we are. We can ask it to create another music, which is pop music for 35 seconds. Let's see what happens, and make more music, and it is getting started. As you can see, our music is being generated. So here we are waiting to let it generate, and we will be playing it, and then we can see how pop music looks like, sounds like. So it is probably near to the, probably finished 80%, 82, and here we are almost done. Yes, and it is preparing a video for us. So here we go. It is really amazing. So that's how the pop music sounds like. Isn't it amazing? Yes, it is really amazing. You can use the Waveformer to generate music for different purposes. So that was for today. I will be back soon with another amazing informative video. Please like, watch and share our video and subscribe our channel and look forward to it. Be tuned. Don't go anywhere. I will be back soon.